How to keep outdoor furniture cushions in place. What you want to do is get the grip mat and cut it to size of the surface area of the outdoor furniture. And then we're going to use carpet tile tape, which is double-sided. You can get it at carpettiletape.com to adhere the mat to the outdoor furniture. And what you want to do is go ahead and go around the edges, flip back the grip mat, flip the edges, and then peel off the top layer of tape so it's double-sided and it'll stick to the mat really good. So this will keep those grip mats in place because this is outdoor furniture. It's going to stop those cushions from moving when you sit on the outdoor furniture. So there you go. We'll put the cushions back on. You can see it's nice and stationary. It's not going to move. And the great thing is you can just leave the grip mats on the couch during rain or any other weather outside, and you can just put your cushions on top. You don't have to do anything else. So that's it. Grab your carpet tile tape. It's double-sided at carpettiletape.com, or you can search on Amazon carpet tile tape. Enjoy your outdoor furniture and you won't be sliding any longer. carpettiletape.com.